Off-road driving test. Mastering the art of adventure. Off-road driving is a thrilling blend of skill, patience, and adrenaline. To prepare drivers for the challenges of rugged terrain, many training centers offer off-road driving test sessions, designed to teach essential techniques, build confidence, and ensure safety in unpredictable environments. Getting ready for the trails. Every session starts with a detailed briefing. Instructors cover basic off-road principles like understanding different types of terrain, mud, rocks, sand, using four-wheel drive systems, and the importance of vehicle inspection. Safety is a top priority. Drivers learn about recovery equipment, tire pressure adjustments, and how to spot potential hazards before setting off. Participants either bring their own 4x4 vehicles or use specially prepared trucks like Jeep Wranglers, Toyota Land Cruisers, or Ford Broncos. These vehicles are equipped with aggressive tires, strong suspension setups, and protective skid plates. Tackling the obstacles. The driving test itself begins with simple challenges to ease drivers into the techniques needed. Water crossings, shallow ruts, and small hills help participants practice throttle control, steering precision, and understanding their vehicle's capabilities. As the course progresses, the difficulty increases. Drivers face steep hill climbs, rocky paths, muddy pits, and tight technical turns. Each obstacle teaches a valuable skill: how to use low-range gears, how to safely descend a slope using engine braking, and how to trust a spotter for guidance when visibility is limited. Instructors emphasize the slow and steady approach. Off-road driving is about control, not speed. Patience often wins over brute force. Recovery skills and safety. No matter how careful a driver is, getting stuck is part of the learning experience. Recovery training is a vital section of the test. Drivers are shown how to use winches, recovery boards, and tow straps safely and efficiently. They also learn proper hand signals, communication techniques, and how to set up safe recovery points. The goal is to make sure that when challenges arise, drivers can react calmly and systematically. Environmental responsibility. Modern off-road driving tests stress the importance of protecting the environment. Participants are taught to stay on designated trails, minimize tire impact, and pack out all waste. Tread lightly principles ensure that off-roading can continue without damaging sensitive ecosystems. Wrapping up the experience. The session usually ends with a final assessment that combines everything learned, handling a technical trail that includes mud, rocks, and steep grades. While there's often no formal pass or fail, successful participants receive a certificate of completion, marking their achievement. Beyond skills, the off-road driving test builds a deeper respect for nature, vehicles, and teamwork. Graduates leave not just better drivers, but part of a passionate community that values adventure and responsibility. Thanks for sharing your thoughts. I love engaging with you all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to show your support for this channel.